I'm Farida Rachmawati. Right now I'm reporting from the conference room of Civil Engineering Department, where today is being held a doctoral seminar by Ms Farida Rachmawati, and here it is our report. Thursday, 28 February 2019, a doctoral seminar by Ms Farida Rachmawati at conference room of Civil Engineering Department. In this opportunity, with dissertation titled Public-Private Partnership Model for Industrial Estate Low-Cost Apartment in Indonesia. Low-cost apartment is considered as an effective solution to optimize the available land compared to landed house, and it is believed to reduce slum area in the region. However, there are some obstacles in low-cost apartment development project, such as the government has to subsidize the operation and maintain costs in large number annually. It may hinder the development of new low-cost apartment. This case underlined this dissertation.
Oke, baik. Saya mungkin tadi sudah disebut waktu pembacaan kurikulum vitae bahwa saya sudah beberapa tahun sebelum saya masuk S3 ini, saya ke riset mengenai rumah susun. Rumah susun di Indonesia itu sebetulnya sangat berguna untuk mencegah slum area, mengurangi slum area, menampung mengurangi housing backlog di Indonesia, sehingga dan dengan keterbatasan lahan yang ada. Jadi sebetulnya rusun ini sangat berguna.
According to Ms Farida Rachmawati, this research could be contingent by researching financial scheme such as how much the cost should be for rent and etc. That's all our today's report. I'm Farida Rachmawati with the other crew of ITS TV reporting.